All right, dudes, I'm going to show you how to cut a nice rectangle or square out of a piece of paper. So this piece of paper is already pretty square, like a 90-degree angle in the corners here. So let's say that I wanted to make a 10 by 20 centimeter square. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ruler and find out which side is, that only goes to 16 centimeters on that side. This side goes out to 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up my 0 of my ruler on the top corner here, and I'll go out to 20 and I will mark a little line. And then I'll do the same at the bottom. Line it up at the start of the paper, go out to 20 and mark a line. And then I'm just going to draw a vertical line on my piece of paper. All right. So that marks this edge of it. Now it needs to be 10 by 20. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some nice square corners on a side, like this corner and this corner. And I'm going to measure down 10 centimeters. Line up my 0 at the top, measure down 10 centimeters. Do the same on the other side. And then I will just draw a line. All right, so here's a nice rectangle that is 10 centimeters by tall by 20 centimeters wide. I can just cut that out and do whatever I need to do with it. Let's say that you have a piece of paper that's like this and doesn't have nice square corners on it. What you can do is just fold that in a little bit and put a nice crease on it, flip it over, and now you've got your nice square corners. So just do what we did before. Measure over to 20 on the top, measure over to 20 on the bottom, draw that line, and then since we're doing 10 by 20 in this case, I'll measure 10 down on either side. There we go, put a mark there. 10 down on this side, put a mark there. Connect those two marks with a nice line. Press the ruler down hard. Then your ruler won't move when you draw your line. Okay, if I unfold it, I can draw on this crease line, or maybe you don't even need to draw on it if you can see the crease well. All right, and there's my 10 by 20 rectangle. If you do that, you'll have a pretty close to perfect rectangle. It may not be perfect, but pretty close. Thanks.